Hi, Mark Fraser with Edwards Garage. Today I want to show you this 2015 Chev Silverado with the LTZ package. It does come equipped with a 6.6 liter Duramax engine, great engine. Has the automatic headlights. Rubber's in good condition. You got your tow mirrors. Comes with the running boards. You can see the body's in really good shape. No major damages or dings. It does also have the Z71 package. So this 2015 Chev Silverado 2500 HD does come with a backup camera. There's a little minor ding here and a little kind of ding there. Nothing outstanding. It has your backup sensors. A nice step here for getting into the back of the box. Again, no major blemishes. Truck is in overall good condition. So a few options with this 2015 2500 HD are the power folding mirrors. You have a programmable seats. You have the automatic window down and the child window lock. It comes with 6 Bose speakers. And up here you can see we have the integrated trailer brake and your 4-wheel drive switch and your auto headlights, as I mentioned outside. So we're inside this 2015 2500 and you can see it has the dark ash leather seats. And it's matched up with the jet black dash. Over here on the steering wheel, I just want to show you a few controls. We have your cruise control, your heated steering wheel, your Bluetooth controls, and then your driver information controls here as well. And on the back you have your convenient radio controls or paddles for volume and scrolling through your favorites. Now down here we have your heated seats. Both front seats are heated. And up here on your radio screen we do have your satellite radio and Bluetooth connection for your phone. Down here we have automatic climate control, and I have it set at 16 right now, and it'll stay at that temperature until I change it. Now these controls down here, we have foot pedal controls, we have your StabiliTrak traction control, we have your cargo light. This is to disable your parking sensors, your hill descent assist, and your exhaust brake for the diesel engine. So I'm in the back seat of this 2015 2500, and you can see the leather is in very good condition. It's very low use in the back here. One thing I forgot to point out, it does have a power sunroof, and it also has a power sliding rear window as well. Great little feature. Come down and test drive it today, or give me a call at 403-845-3328.